Hey, what's going on, Fragrance family? It's your man Gator, better known as the Novice Nose out here in these fragrance streets. Man, it has been a long day. I'm gonna tell you how long a day it's been. I have recorded the intro to this video like 3 times because I felt like I was slurring because of the day that I have had. It has been a 6 to 12. I mean, 6 in the morning till 12 at night. It's currently 12 as I'm recording this. And you know, came in, fixed my little drink. I haven't really drunk much of it. People have been asking, by the way, what this drink is. This is actually kind of my take on an old fashioned here. It is a tequila, añejo tequila, 2 shots of añejo tequila, 2 shots of water, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of chocolate bitters, and then a Splenda in there to make it 0 calories. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Anyway, man, I like I said, I was tired, but I wanted to do this unboxing here because I was super excited about this particular fragrance. So this is something I have been waiting on for a while. So this is Aether, right? And that is from, of course, French Avenue. I love this box right away. This is raised. Fragrance World. Okay, so what this is like I said, it's been the DNA I've been waiting on somebody to copy for a while. This is a clone, a duplicate, inspired by parfumsdemarly's Greenley. Now, Greenley, of course, is like an all-star in the parfumsdemarly lineup, man. It is one of those fragrances that people love, and you know, I was looking around to try to find a good dupe for it, because while I love Greenley and I've gotten buku decants of it, I have a decant of it actually sitting right over here right now. By the way, the mic is gonna get a little trashed because of the trash. I've never thought about investing in a full bottle just because of the pricing, man. I mean, we're looking at, you know, $300 or more retail on that thing, and I love the DNA. I love the scent DNA. So you always want to find something that's going to be, you know, comparatively good quality, close to the DNA, but a lot cheaper. And that's what this is supposedly. So this is the box again. This is without the cellophane wrapping on it. Ooh, okay. It is a pretty box, man. And this part is raised. I don't know if you can kind of see it from here, but it's raised. It's like it's a coffin style box. Ooh, it is. So let's raise this up for you guys. I'm gonna let me know I just hit the mic. So let's see. Here we go. All right. So this is the bottle. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. That's a pretty bottle. All right, man, look, check this out. This is a beautiful bottle, man. Look at that. It's all crystally and stuff, man. Look, let me see if I can put a stop to it. Pause. There we go. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. So they're already starting off with some good points here. Look at the top. Top is green. Crystalline bottle. French Avenue written on the side of this here. If it'll focus. It will eventually. There we go. Had to get my face off the screen. So here's the moment of truth. The big thing is beautiful bottle, but how much does it compare, and how well? The top is kind of light and ass, but that's fine. That is fine. It don't have to be super heavy. Let's see how this compares as far as like the Greenley, right? Because like I said, I am a fan of it. I have it right there. Let's see. See what the atomizer does. A little pressure. Okay. Oh, well, you can't really see it. There we go. So it's a decent atomizer. Let's see what we got on the hand here. I like to kind of spray my fragrances out about 5 times, but for unboxings, of course, it's gonna be like right off the bat. So okay, so it's recognizable. It's definitely recognizable. One of the things that I noticed is that it does have the airiness, right? And I like that. It's kind of, you definitely sense the greens. I'm getting some green apple definitely out of this. Of course, like the OG and the mint here. Definitely. This is actually pretty good. Let me do something right quick. I am going to see here if I can find the note breakdown on this as compared to the greenley, because it definitely that's good. Is there kind of like I'm getting some kind of like, it's got to be the violet I'm getting out of here, because it's good. It's good. I'm definitely getting some musk coming up. So this is actually pretty good as it starts to dry down. I will say it's a little bit more alcohol-y. You know what? Let me do this. I've been doing this isn't the green. Green is an actual decant thing. All right, let's see. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is still a little bit. It was a little bit more alcohol-y. Let me do something. This is okay. And I'm gonna spray it on a different part of the arm here, because you know how that goes. I'm clearing out the nozzle in this thing. People say that's not a thing, but from my experience, it is. Okay, now this is much closer. This is much better on that spray this just now. Okay. Off skin, this one is giving me more. I don't know if it's violet. It could be the cashmerean, I think, because I looked up the notes just now for greenley, and I was going to do a comparison of, and I'm still looking for the notes for this one, but comparison wise, I'm definitely picking up a little bit more of that cashmere in this cashmere off the top than I am in here. That is nice, and that little harshness is starting to kind of fade away a little bit. This is one that I think, just off the thought of it, this one probably needs to sit. I would say probably for about a month or so. I'm gonna clear this one out and let it sit a little bit, and then I'm going to revisit it, because I got a feeling that this one in about a month is gonna be a banger, right? Or maybe a month and a half to 2 months. So it needs to settle. This probably needs to settle for probably a good month and a half to 2 months. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it out, do a maceration routine, throw it in the drawer, and I'm gonna revisit this probably in about a month and a half or so. But from the first smell, it's hitting in the same ballpark as this. It's getting close. It's definitely getting close. There's a few subtle differences, of course. The OG is a lot smoother, you know, at least off the rip. But what I've experienced with a lot of the FA fragrances here in Fragrance World, a lot of their stuff, man, give it a little time. Just give it a little bit of time, and I guarantee you that it'll be right. It'll get right in about a month or so. And I'm gonna be looking forward to it, because the bottle itself make you want to rock it, but then you know that fragrance, man, and it's a clone of one of the more popular fragrances out there for summer weather, going into fall. This is gonna be a banger, man. This was my unboxing, man. Hey, look, do me a favor before y'all leave. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification button for me here, so that you know when I'm posting videos. And hey, if there's any comments you have about this particular fragrance, if you've got it, if you're trying it out, hey, let me know. And also, and if there's anything that you want me to do a review on, make sure you leave that in the comments and on the channel here. So far, man, I'm loving it. But like I said, coming back to this in about a month and a half, it's gonna be a banger. I feel it in my bones. Till next time, guys. See you later. Peace out.